Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Mamian. My topic is all about validity. The learning objectives. Understand the concept of validity. Identify types of validity. Next is overview. Validity is a fundamental concept and task development that refers to the degree to which an assessment accurately measure what is intended to measure. It ensures that the task produces meaningful and reliable results, supporting informed decision. Validity is not just about the task itself, but also about how well the task results are used in making decisions, such as in educational psychological assessment. So, napaka-importante sa teacher ang validity. Para yung test, makagawa siya ng good test sa mga students. Importante sa teacher yung validity upang tiyakin ang mga test na ginagamit niya sa mga student niya ay tumpak o na-measure ang kaalaman na nais natutunan ng kanyang estudyante. What is validity? Validity identifies the accuracy of the test. In other words, validity measures what is intended to measure. Ibig sabihin, ang validity, kaya yung sukatin yung dapat niyong sukatin. Ano ba yung dapat niyong sukatin? Yung criteria. A valid test is actually a test with really measures and improvement needed to be given to the student. Ano ba yung mga kinakailangan ma-improve o yung mga skills na dapat ma-acquire ng mga estudyante mo? Nami-meet ba ng mga estudyante mo yung dapat ay ma-reach sa pagtuturo mo? Nakabase ba sa objectives o layunin mo sa pagtuturo sa mga estudyante mo? There are 4 types of validity, which is phase validity, content validity, criterion validity, and contract validity. I will discuss first the phase validity. When we say phase validity, is a form of subjective validity, meaning it is based on the superficial appearance of test rather than statistical analysis. Pag sinabi natin yung test ni teacher is phase validity, is bago na ibigay sa mga student niya yung test, dapat yung test na is nag-phase validity. Paano mo masasabi na yung test is phase validity? It's readable. It could be fully understood by your student in terms of instruction. Dapat yung test malinaw, hindi masakit sa mata ng mga bata, especially mga elementary students. Dapat naka-arrange siya easy to difficult. Yan yung phase validity, the physical appearance of the test. Next is content validity. Content validity, the contents of the test must be based on the competences or skills. Content validity, what inside the test paper, not just a physical but the content. Ano ba yung content na yun? Are the test is congruent or relevant to all testing of objectives? Yung bang test na yun, ginawa ba base sa objectives o sa lesson plan na itinuturo mo sa mga bata? Minsan, ito yung nagiging problema pag hindi nakabase sa objectives mo yung mga test mo. Automatically, hindi masasagutan ng mga student mo yung test. Minsan, nasasabi ng mga estudyante is nag-study naman sila. Bakit iba yung lumabas? Baka kasi si teacher yung problema. Kasi hindi si teacher nagko-content validity. Kaya importante sa teacher mag-content validity siya. O para hindi magkaroon ng gap yung knowledge ng mga students mo. At ma-measure nila kung ano dapat yung isasagot nila sa test dahil yun yung naituro mo sa kanila. Next is criterion validity. Criterion validity refers to the extent to which a measure is related to an outcome or criterion that it is supposed to predict. Pag sinabi natin criterion validity, is referring to the idea. This test could really measure external aspects of the student. For example, kung mataas ang marka ng student ni teacher sa isang math test na ginawa ni teacher at maganda o mataas din yung nakukuhang grades ng student niya, sa mga actual performance or task, ibig sabihin may mataas na criterion validity ang test na ginawa ni teacher. The test is correlate to outcomes or actual performance and behavior ng student ni teacher. There are two types of criterion validity, which is predictive validity and recurrent validity. When we say predictive validity, refers to the extent to which a test or measurement tool accurately predicts outcomes or behavior in the future of the students. Kapag sinabi natin na ang validity ay predictive, the test is constructed how it correlated the criteria of the test to relate to the future performance of the students. For example, we have constructed certain ability tests. Certain ability tests correlates to the future passing education, the licensure examination in teaching. So gumawa tayo ng test sa lahat ng area, Gen Ed and Prof Ed, etc. Nakagawa tayo ng test, tapos na-predict nitong test, yung mga batang makakapasa sa ginawa nating test, sila din yung makakapasa after 4 years for the licensure examination and teaching. So, yung test na yun is na-predict na yung mga future result or outcomes or behaviors ng students mo. Yun yung predictive validity. Pag sinabi na natin na concurrent validity, it refers to how well a test correlates with an established measure of the same concept taken at the same time. Pag sinabi natin concurrent validity, masasabi ng isang teacher na may concurrent validity ang isang test. For example, gumawa si teacher ng bagong test about sa mathematics. Yung test na yun ay nagbibigay ng parehong marka o grades o resulta sa mga student niya. Tulad ng isang test na ginawa 4 to 5 years ago, masasabi ni teacher na may concurrent validity ang bagong test. Next is construct validity. Construct validity refers to the extent to which a test or measurement tool accurately measures to the theoretical concept or construct it is intended to measure. In other words, it evaluates whether the tools truly captures the underlying characteristics or trait rather than measuring something unrelated or superficial sa mga topic. When we say construct, si teacher nag-construct siya ng isang test na yung i-measure na test na yun, for example, gumawa si teacher na about test sa mathematics. Ang mag-measure ng test na yun is yung problem-solving skills ng mga bata. Hindi dapat masali sa test ni teacher yung mga unrelated or superficial na mga topic. Dapat na may measure talaga siya. There are two types of construct validity, which is divergent construct and convergent construct. When we say divergent construct, refers to the degree to which a test or measure does not correlate with tests measuring different construct. It ensures that the test is unique and not mistakenly measuring unrelated traits or behaviors. So, pag sinabi natin divergent construct is naiiba siya sa mga test. For example, gumawa si teacher ng mathematical ability. Yung mga mathematical ability na yun is hindi siya related to other test. Hindi mo siya compare o ma-relate to another test. Unique siya, naiba siya na test. Yung test na yun, isa lang yung kaya niyang i-measure sa mga skills ng mga bata. Yun yung mathematical ability ng mga student mo. Pag sinabi naman natin na convergent construct, refers to the extent which a test or measure correlates with other tests that measure the same or similar construct. Pag sinabi naman natin convergent construct, si teacher gumawa siya ng test na related siya sa isang test na correlate yung idea or content ng test. So, kaya nyo mag-measure ng dalawang ability ng skills ng mga bata. For example, gumawa si teacher ng logical mathematical ability. So, kaya ni teacher mag-measure sa ginawa ng convergent construct ng dalawang ability ng student niya na similar or same measure sa another test. Yun yung convergence construct. In conclusion, validity ensures that a test or measurement accurately measures what it is supposed to. It is essential for making sure results are reliable and meaningful. That's the end of my discussion. Any clarification, valid reaction? None? Thank you for your attentive listening. Now let's proceed to the assessment. Get 1/4 sheet of paper. Instruction. Read each question carefully and select of the answer you believe is correct. One question is equivalent for 1 minute.